Hazrat Muhammad bin Abdul Rahman Abul Aswad says, an army of the people of Madinah Munawwara was raised and my name was also enlisted. Later I met Hazrat Ikrimah, the slave freed by Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, and informed him of it, whereupon he strictly forbade me to participate in it. He then told me that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu had said some of the Muslims were with the idolaters and thus escalated their strength against Allah's apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. An arrow would come and hit any of them and kill him, or he would be killed with a sword. Whereupon Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed this verse: those whose souls are taken out by angels while they were wronging themselves. Layth bin Saad has also reported it from Abul Aswad. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4596.